How to design and create an address label with your ZSB series label printer. In this video, you will learn how to design an address label with the ZSB Label Designer tool on a PC or Mac. First, ensure you are signed into the ZSB series workspace. Select My Designs. Then select Create New Design. The top label size displayed is the label currently inside the printer. Select the address label. Click Continue. A template for the address label displays. Select the text tool from the Objects panel at the top of the screen. Click and drag in the label where you want your text to be. The Object Properties panel for the text box opens. Select Fixed Text and enter the address you want on the label. You can change the text font properties such as size, style, or alignment. Now, to name your new label to find it easier. Select the pencil at the top of the screen. Type in a name for your new label. Click anywhere on the screen after entering the label name. Your design choices are automatically saved. When you are satisfied with your design, click the Print icon to print. For more information on how to design custom labels, go to zsbseries.com/support.